When I try to load a game, as you can see, it says unable to load and unable to load error. The save game doesn't load. Select the quit and now open up Chrome and search NFS Carbon editor. Select the second site. Select this download option and you just need to wait for 10 seconds. After the 10 seconds, you got two servers. Select one of this download option and select folder icon and right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract and open the extracted folder, right click on the editor and select run as administrator and select yes option and select the save game that you got this error and select tools option. Copy this save file cd key and paste it in registry cd key. Select the save changes option and saved and select wait and launch the game. Once you are in game, now select the save and load completes. It loads properly and I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.